Hey everybody, John Cruz here, inviting you to participate in the Enthusiast auction. We're going to have a great group of wonderful cars, including this collection. And this is a special group of cars to us here in Auburn because it's the Oscar Roberts Estate Collection. Many of you knew Oscar, as did we, and he's just one of the folks that you think of as the heart and soul of collector car hobby, and had a great group of eclectic cars and worked on them. He's very much an entrepreneur, but also someone who liked to get in and actually work on and use his cars, and very noted for having what we refer to as a real neat, semi-famous Sinclair Gas Station here in Auburn. Many of you probably have either been to an event there or have driven by it, and it's one of those neat landmarks that we have here. And that's where these cars in his collection were housed for many, many years, and so we're excited to bring them to you. So come learn about these cars, get registered to bid, participate in the auction. It's right here in Auburn, Indiana at the Enthusiast auction, the last weekend in April. We'll see you at the auction.